Good morning students. In this video lecture we are going to discuss about IP packet delivery. How the IP packets will be delivered between the mobile terminals. The above figure shows how the correspondent node will communicate with the mobile nodes. If the mobile nodes will be moved from the home network to foreign network, then what are the procedures we follow for delivering our IP packets between the correspondent node to the foreign network? First of all, the correspondent node wants to send information to the mobile nodes, means the correspondent node put their informations and the mobile node IP address with their PDU. PDU means nothing but packet data unit. The PDU is forwarded to the home agent. Now the home agent receives the packet and check the IP address for the particular data packets. If the IP is not present in their network, means then it will find where the IP will be present. If the IP is present in the foreign network, means then the particular IP will be added with the care of address. That means the care of address will be received from the mobile node with the help of foreign agents for reaching the mobile node in the current location. Now the correspondent node PDU will be added with the mobile node original IP with the care of address. Now the package will be forwarded to the foreign agent. The foreign agent will be de-encapsulate the packet and find the original IP and transfer the packet to the mobile nodes. And now the mobile node receive the packets and it will give the reply to the original IP to the correspondent nodes. Now the correspondent nodes identify that the mobile node will be presented in the home network itself. The correspondent node doesn't know the mobile node will move on the foreign agent. The agent discovery is a major problem in the mobility. The agent discovery will be identified with two methods. One is agent advertisement, another is agent solicitation. So agent advertisement is done with the help of home agent and foreign agent advise their presence. Agent solicitation is developed with the help of mobile node itself. Agent advertisement. So in agent advertisement means if the mobile node will move from the home network to foreign network, then the home agent and foreign agent advertise their presence periodically using a agent advertisement message. ICMP messages are used with some mobility extension. ICMP means nothing but Internet Control Message Protocol. So upper part represents ICMP while lower part represents the extension need for the mobility. So this is the ICMP protocol packet format. In the ICMP protocol packet format, first field is type. There we have a fixed value 9 and the code we maybe put 0 or 16, and then we have a checksum. Checksum is nothing but used for the error detection and correction. And next we have the addresses. In the addresses field we have the number of addresses advertised with this packet. How many networks it will follow it, how many care of address particular mobile node have it. And then lifetime is the length of the time this advertisement is valid, how much time the packets will be valid in the network. And then we have a preference, most eager router to get new node. And in the extension part we have a type is fixed 16 and length depends upon the care of address provided. And then we have a sequence number. The sequence number is used to identify the packet. And then we have a registration lifetime, maximum lifetime in seconds. A node can request during the registration. Then we have some of the fields: registration, BC, H for home agent, F for foreign agent, M and G for encapsulations, and V for the versions. In agent solicitation method, no agent advertisement message will be forwarded between the mobile nodes. Here mobile node must send agent solicitation If the mobile node can send 3 solicitation message 1 per second as soon as they enter into the new network, discovered for the new agent can be done anytime for having the care of address. Then we have the registration. So registration is to form the home agent of the current location for correct forwarding of packets. If the mobile node is move on to the foreign agent. After receiving RF address, the mobile node has to register with the home agent. Registrations can be done in two ways: registration of the mobile nodes via foreign agent or directly to the home agent. If we use the agent discovery message, then the registrations will be done with the foreign agent. If we use the agent solicitation message means, then we have the direct registration. Registration with care of address with the foreign agent. If the mobile node give the registration request to the foreign agent, this request will be forwarded to the home agent, and the home agent will receive the new IP address and give the reply to the foreign agent. The foreign agent receives the reply from the home agent, and the reply will be further forwarded to the mobile node. Now the mobile node sends the registration request containing the care of address to the foreign agent, which then forwarded to the home agent. Now home agent will do the mobility binding, contain the mobile node's home IP address with the current care of address for reaching the home network. Then registrations with co-located. If the care of address is co-located, the mobile node sends the request directly to the home agent and vice versa. A registration procedure for mobile node returning to their home network itself. So this is the registration packet format. Here we use the UDP packet for registration. In this registration we have the type value is 1 and SSN. Mobile node wants to home agent to retain prior mobility binding, and B is the mobile node wants to receive broadcast packet received by the home value packet format. Here we have only type is packet format. Here we have only type is value is 3 code. Here we have only type is value is 3 code. Result for the registration type is value is 3 code. Result for the registration type is value is 3 code. Result for the registration request is 3 code. Result for the registration request is 3 code. Result for the registration request. Live for the registration request. Lifetime, how much link time the particular package will be enabled in the network, and then we have the home IP address, home agent address, like that. Thank you.